Hi everyone, it's Nina, and today I'll be showing you how to make an origami rabbit like this one. Let's get started. So you'll need origami paper and a pen. The first thing that you need to do is fold it into a triangle like this, and then fold it into a smaller triangle. After you've done that, fold it out and fold the bottom edge up. Okay, so then after you've folded the bottom, you have to fold from here, from the end, to the middle, which is where the crease is. You have to fold it up to the crease, along the crease I mean. Then do that on this side as well. So it makes the ears of the rabbit up here. So after you've done that, fold the bottom up. So after you've done that, flip it over and fold this corner, like right here, fold it inwards. Like that. So you finished doing your bunny and now you need to draw a face on it. Okay, so I finished drawing my rabbit face on and it's done. It's not very good, the eyelashes are a bit wonky, but there you have it. That's how you make an origami rabbit. Thank you for watching. Bye!